from Grammy what's inside. Oh, Beckett wants to know what's in. What's in there, little man? What do you think's in there? Huh? Yeah?
I've never done this before. This looks fun. What's in here?
Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look. We can put these outside.
Is that exciting, Beckett? Yeah, you want a spider? You get a spider and the box. We got some jumbo spooky eyes, and we're gonna make a monster on the door. Should be fun. Happy Halloween! Yeah. Oh, not on the wall. Boom. What kind of dance was that?
The thumb dance.
Let me see it again. Oh yeah. We are carving our pumpkins tonight. All those seeds, all those... Oh, don't throw it on me. Can you get it all out? Oh, you got a seed. Good job. Can you get it? Get some more. Oh, good job. Are all your guts scooped out? Oh, no. Still got more in there.
Surprise!
Get it.
Surprise!
Big man carving a big pumpkin.
Dad, is my way easier or harder?
Harder. That's okay, though. Got it? Bring it out. Good job. Okay, now you just got to go down right there.
I didn't get.
Oh, you missed a spot? What does yours look like?
Mine is Snoopy.
Oh, yeah. Looking good. Get it all tacked up, then we'll have to cut out the black. These 900 push pins that I got for Dad reviews are coming in handy. This is Amelia's Snoopy pumpkin right here that she carved herself. I was very impressed. And then this is Jacques' mean face monster man. Are you ready for your first Halloween bag? Trick or treat.
Hey guys, hey!
Are you a zombie?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't seen you in a long time. Hi, buddy. Hi. Can you come see me? Come see me. Oh, yeah. Come. Oh, you are so sweet. Hi, buddy.
Alright guys, let's go get a sneak peek at the Halloween bags that my mom made for the kids. Oh boy, there's 5 this year. They all have little things on them. This is Amelia's, I think. What's in this one? Oh my goodness, look at all the... Oh, that must be Beckett's baby mum-mums. Daniel's and Max's. Oh boy.
Throw it. That's a ball. Can you say ball?
Do you think Mimi has a bag?
Yeah.
How big of a bag do you think it is?
I'm usually like this big.
Oh, sorry.
Like that big? What do you think's inside the bag?
Probably some Halloween stuff.
A remote control car? You think so?
know what to do, huh?
Y'all are ready. Usually the bags come first, huh?
Then people go first.
Y'all have learned. We're ready.
I don't know. Ask me, boy. Who's ready for a surprise? Amelia, wait, don't open yet. We gotta take a picture.
Don't open yet. We have to take a picture.
1, 2, 3.
Beckett. What in the world's going on? Open the bag.
Awesome.
That, whoa.
This dinosaur.
Like you? You want me to? Friendship bracelet. Oh, Amelia. This is Beckett's.
Oh my goodness, what is that? Whoa.
Fingernail polish.
Oh my goodness.
Sticker book.
What did you, oh my goodness. Yeah, that's a good fit.
Yeah, the arms actually, he has a little room to grow in that. So.
High five. Yeah. What else did you get, bud? Let me open it.
Amelia, you want to get a string out?
Yeah, just gotta twist the top.
Okay, now try. Whoa. Is that all the silly string?
No.
Spray it up. Uh-oh. Nanny monster. Ah! Ah!
I'm in the mailbox.
You like it? You like your new toy? You like your new toy? I know. That's right. Yeah, look how cute that is. Could be this for Halloween.
That is cute.
Look at that. If it's a little chilly.
Yeah, that's super cute.
It has the hat to
Yeah, I know.
Uh-huh.
Let's see what happens when I put the hat on.
Wait a minute. There's something on my head.
You're so cute.
What in the world?
It's
Mama.
so cute.
What is this thing on my head?
You're so cute.
Look, here, play.
I don't know what this is. Get this off. I can't see. I can't see.
Oh, there you
You got it.
go. Oh, now he wants it back on.
This is like the cutest little outfit though.
Yes.
I love it.
And it looks comfy.
Yeah, it does.
Do you know this one's gonna fit him just fine? Oh, those are so
I
soft.
love that.
Those are so cute.
I think it's crazy. Oh my goodness.
Okay, don't come in Evie's house.
Take
Hang
a
on.
picture.
Let me take a picture. We gotta cut your costume so that it fits.
Nope.
It's too long. There's our little Ninja Turtle. You so cute. Yes, you are. You want
Leave
him?
his socks off
Oh,
right
you
before
got
we
it.
leave.
You got it. Oh, yeah. Say cowabunga, dude.
That's Dad's camera.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Heroes in the half shell. That's right. Turtle power. I like your pirate costume, though.
Thanks.
Get that foot soldier. Get him, get him. Get Shredder. That was awesome, dude. High five. Yeah. Hey. Wow, y'all look great. Got your Renaissance Fair costume on again? How you doing, bud? Hey, y'all look scary. Get him, get him. Whoa, whoosh. You need to learn how to do that. Yeah.
I do not know what's going on.
That's quite a costume. I like it. This is Heather. Heather, this is Catalina and Carlos.
All night we're gonna say Carl something.
Let's go trick-or-treating! Y'all got the goods?
All right.
I like your costume. It's awesome. Yeah. Y'all see the dinosaurs? All right. Our Batman Ninja Turtle. All right, bud. Go get him. Whoa. Is your bucket getting full? Oh man! High five! Yeah!
Slow with Beckett. If there's a house of chocolate, you tell me and I'll go with.
Oh my goodness, it's Batman!
Well, he's
The Batman Ninja Turtle. Something.
Help yourself to Miss Nikki too.
Oh.
The Bat Turtle.
That's right. You got the good stuff, little man. You got the good stuff. Let's go trick-or-treating.
There you go.
Thank you.
Attack! Right. How much do you have now?
This.
Go. How much do you have, Audrey? What happened to all your candy?
Well, we did a dump.
Oh, you did a dump. That's smart
So
thinking.
I had like this much before.
Oh my goodness. You got a lot of candy, Ben? Yeah? Wow. Huh?
It's almost filled up.
It's almost filled up? Oh my goodness. We may have to dump it into a different bag so you can fill it up again. Oh. Yeah. Get him! Attack! This is the party house. I'll grab it to you. How's that cupcake, bud? Awesome.
Did you get some trees?
No.
Oh, she said go all the way down to the end.
Hot dogs. You have dogs. Yes, I have dogs, but I got hot dogs.
All right. Is that good? Yeah? Perfect. You got a cupcake? Awesome. You seem so lonely over here with the whole party going on.
Man, that's crazy. All these people over here.
Are you new here?
Yes, I don't live here, but the people who do live here are new.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they do that every year. Yeah. Y'all want to be in my Halloween vlog? Sure. Yeah, say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
We're doing a dump?
Yeah.
Help out. All right. Little Halloween tax real quick. Halloween tax. You almost passed her up. I'm waiting for you, bud. What you think about all this? What you think about all this? Is it kind of crazy? Yeah. Y'all are doing it right here. I like this. Right, yeah. You see the fire, Beckett? Ooh.
I know. He threw his mittens one at a time while we were walking. Yeah.
There you go. Oh, you like that?
Hey.
La 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 la.
He's getting delirious.
Yeah. All right, whoever has the most candy has to give it all away. It was a joke.
Switching candies.
Oh, y'all switching candies?
Alright,
Trading? That's a good idea.
Look, sour patch for that. M&M's. I like a crunch. Starburst. Alright, look. I know. You want caramel? Yes. I love caramel.
Do you think people should subscribe? Why?